What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been freezing here. It's been 20 degrees, 30 degrees lately, and today we finally got some good weather. 45 degrees. Apparently this is good weather now. So no time to ride outside. Hoping the winter time is gonna be a short one. Hopefully the riding season is gonna start really early this year. Because I really want to get out there and start doing videos on the road. I have tons of ideas that I have lined up already for the next few videos that I want to do. But I want to do them riding outside. Like it's different. Like I like doing these videos here, sitting down talking with you guys. But I kind of like I want to give my content kind of riding most of the time. But I mean, if you guys like these type of videos, let me know. Just little short discussion videos like this. But anyways, last night I was laying down on my bed, and I'm scrolling down and I keep looking at street glides and road glides. And if you guys know for a while, if you've been following me, like last year, like I really wanted to get a bagger, and then I took the street glide out and I did a review on it. I took the road glide out, did a review on it, and I just loved everything about the comfort of it. I just loved everything about a bagger. Once I rode those bikes, I kind of learned more about it, and I kind of got more in touch with it, you know? So in today's video, we're going to be discussing the love that I have for baggers, and I really want a bagger now. Now, if you're new to my video, this is my 2020 Lowrider S, which I'm little by little building out. For those of you guys that have been asking me lately constantly about the bracket for the fairing, guys, it's still on back order. It's been on back order since Christmas. I've been to the dealership numerous times already, asking them, hey, what's going on? The last time I went last week, they told me, oh, it was gonna come off back order in 2 days, and we should have it by next week, but it's still not the case. So I'm still waiting here. It's been over a month already, and I have no bracket to put the fairing on. And no aftermarket brands do any type of brackets for that fairing yet. I mean, it's a brand new bike. There's hardly any aftermarket parts out there for it yet. So I'm just here waiting. You know, it's upsetting, but whatever. Now let's talk about the love that I have for baggers now and why I really want to have a bagger one day. We'll start with the street glide. Out of the street glide and the road glide, I probably lean towards more of the street glide. Just because after I test rode both of them, I felt that the street glide was a little more easier to maneuver. I love the comfort of the seat. I love the way you can just sit on a bagger and enjoy everything at once. Enjoy the scenery, enjoy the comfort. And let's just picture this. Let's just picture you right now on a street glide or a road glide or the electric glide, whatever it is you like, and you're heading down the road. It's a hot summer day, 85 degrees. You got the wind coming on against you over that fairing. You're jamming at some old school rock. You have your bags in the back packed up with a few snacks. You feel and you hear the thunder from those mufflers. And you got your hands up. And you're leaning into the corners with this big bike that once it's rolling, it feels like you're riding any other bike, because it just, once it's rolling, it's just so light, even though it's a really heavy bike. And man, that feeling, I could just still picture, and I still see myself riding when I took that test ride at that time, of how comfortable those bikes are. And prior to me being on a bagger bike, I used to say, damn, like those things, like they really look uncomfortable. They look so big. They're so heavy. How is the people, maneuver them like that? And then once I got on that bike, man, on both of them, I was like, wow, it's like nothing. And the more I think about it now, the more I want to get a bagger. Like, it's just everything. If you're going long distance somewhere, or even if you're going short distance, if you're gonna go to the supermarket and you're getting a few things, open up those bags up, pack them up with whatever you get. I mean, you got the whole music in the front. You have the whole fairing in the front to block all that wind. If you're one of those riders that hates wind, um, and it's just the body of a street glide heading towards the back where the bags just, I don't know, they're just so eloquently shaped. They look beautiful. And it's like, the more I think about it now, the more I want a bagger. Like I really, really want a bagger. Like I've said it before. Like, and you guys know that I'm a lover of a lot of different bikes, and I always tell you guys, hey, hopefully one day I'm able to have 2 or 3 different bikes. A street glide or a road glide would definitely be on my list if I was able to have 3 bikes, because it'll be my low rider S, which I'm never getting rid of. It'll be my sport bike, and it'll be my bagger. And it's a little different for every different ride. That would be amazing. That would be the cherry on the cake, man. It really would. Now, some of my subscribers do have baggers, and I've gotten a lot of comments before of people who want to get a secondary bike now, and obviously they're looking at my videos because they're looking at this bike and they want to get the Lowrider S as a secondary bike, and it's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Like a lot of people think that you just grow from sport bike, then you get a cruiser, a small cruiser bike, and then you move up to a bagger. But it's pretty cool that you see people who already have these big bikes that want a smaller bike as a secondary bike. It's pretty. I like that, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you already have a bagger, like, what do you love about it? Drop down in the comments down below. If you want to get one, which bagger do you see yourself on, and why do you want one? That's what I really want to know. So drop the comments down below. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.